She's like the wind through my dreams. She rides the night next to me. She leads me through the night, only to burn me with the sun. She's taken my heart, she doesn't know what she's done. I feel her breath on my face, her body close to me. I can't look in her eyes, she's out of my league. I'm just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like the wind.
First memory is nothing but a slow glowing dream that your face seems to hide deep inside your mind. Oh Lord, I have cried silent tears full of pride in a world made of steel, made of stone. Will I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around, take the hold of my heart. What a feeling, please believe it. You can't have it all, now you're dancing for your life. Take your passion and make it happen. Pictures come alive, you can dance right through your life. What a feeling. What a feeling. Music now, please believe it. Rhythm now, pictures come alive, you can dance right through your life. Just a small town girl on a Saturday night, looking for the light of her life. In the new town world, no one sees her at all. They all think she's crazy, looking rhythms with the beat of the heart, changing movements into the night. She gets dancing to the danger zone when the dancer becomes the dance. It can cut you like a knife when the gift becomes a fire. On the wire between the will and what will be. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she's never danced before. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she's never danced before.
Now I had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. This I swear, it's so true. I owe it all to you.
Cause I've had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waited for so long. Now I finally found someone to stand by me.
Saw the writing on the wall as we felt this magical fantasy. Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise our secrecy. So we'll take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency.
Just remember, you're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
So I tell you something.
This could be love, because I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's so true, and I owe it all to you.
Time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's so true, and I owe it all to you.
The time of my life.
Ladies, boys and girls, please give up for your entertainment team here. Over the band in Viva Las Vegas. Creators on this evening. Emma and Anne. I'm Rachel Vocalist. Angelo and Sarah. One more time, guys.
The time of my life.
Okay then, guys, one more time. Give up for your